Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing look number 1 using the Rimmel Greek Tragedy, the Marquee palettes, and I have a bright, fun, this is supposed to be kind of corally but it came out kind of red. But nonetheless, I like how this look has come out. This is a $10 hard candy eyeshadow palette at Walmart. Here are some pictures of the palette and some swatches that I have included. And to get started, I've used the WetnWild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer and the Coty Airspun powder to catch follow under my eyes. And of course, we're using the hard candy Marquee Greek Tragedy palette. And this is supposed to be a multi-dimensional palette. The first shade I'm using in the palette is called Smolder. And this is like the pretty corally shade in the palette. And I do like, that's what drew me to this palette at Walmart, is that there was the yellow and the coral shade. I'm going to be applying this in my crease with windshield wiper motions. I'm literally just going to messily place that with a fluffy crease brush and really buff that in and build it up. Next up, we are taking Nudes, and this is kind of like a plummy brown, and I love this shade. It is one of my favorite shades in the eyeshadow palette. It's kind of unique. Not that I've never seen it before, but unique for this palette, considering there are a lot of like shades and neutral shades in this palette. And I just took that on the side of my shader brush, or my crease brush, mind you, and put that in the outer corner. Next up, I am taking, I couldn't catch that name, something about distress, I think, and I'm going to take that on a flat shader brush. I'm going to spritz that. It is shimmery, but I want to foil it so it can be complete, full at its potential. So I just apply that to the lid. It's a shimmery red kind of shade. Or while it applies red, it's kind of a shimmery pink shade in the pan. So here you're going to see me add more color back to the outer corner, to the crease, and you'll see me blend the lid with the outer corner shade and the outer corner shade with the crease. For brow bone, I'm taking the NYX eyeshadow in Pure Skin. And I'm going to take this on a large eyeshadow shader brush. And first I'm going to pat the shade underneath the brow. And then I'm going to use that to start blending down and bringing down the shade in the crease that got too high. And I always do this, but I love how it turns out in the end for blending purposes. And I'm taking that nice, pretty brown plummy shade on my lower lash line with an eyeliner brush, wiping away all the fallout, and I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and applying that in the inner corner. And I'm going to blend that out, and then I'm going to put the Revlon Galaxy Dream highlighter palette on top of that. And I'm using the pink duochrome shade, the pink opal shade, the white pink opal shade, you know, the white with the pink shift shade, whatever you want to call it, in the inner corner. And I'm going to tightline with the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar. Love this eyeliner. From SheGlam, I'm using Subliminal in the waterline. And this is a multi-chrome, multi-dimensional eyeliner, and these are fantastic. This is the Milk Kush Mascara. I could have done lashes, but I just didn't feel like it today. But that's the finished eyes. For lips, I just did a gloss. This is the Maybelline Lifter gloss, and it's an ice. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the video helpful, and try the look out for yourselves. Definitely try this hard candy eyeshadow palette. There was like 3 of these to choose from, and overall, pretty good quality. One of the best quality hard candy palettes I've used in a while, and I really enjoyed playing with it. So stay tuned for more looks using the Rimmel Greek Tragedy eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you guys so much for watching.